So today we are here with doing fireworks. So it's dark and we're hearing some fireworks out here, and we're gonna have a good time. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're walking, and those are our fireworks. Those are fireworks. And then we're just gonna go there to light them. Sorry, it's too dark that you can't see, but we're gonna put them by the tree and we're gonna light them.
And bring out one at a time.
So,
Okay, I got the first one.
So there it is, the first one that we're using.
Light it on. Oh, we light it.
Wow, we just saw some fireworks.
Where's everyone lighting those fireworks?
Okay.
Poppy, move away quickly.
Whoa, that's so awesome. What's everything? Oh. Wow, that is so awesome. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Yay! Okay, time for the next one. We're gonna light the next one. So right now we can't see anything, but Steph is coming. Do not worry. There it is. Here comes the big, ginormous one. Wow. Looks like real fireworks in the sky, but it's mini ones, so it goes on the ground. In person, it's way more bigger. Some fireworks are in the sky, but we just keep on missing them. Okay, now we're gonna do that one. So I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm putting this on YouTube. No, I do not want to do it. I'm too scared. There it is. Stop. Mama. Wow. Whoa.
Here. That's what he.
Wow.
Draw it.
Whoa.
Baby, how you know when that's the smoke bomb? Yeah. Oh.
Look at the smoke bomb, how much smoke it has.
I want to show it.
Wow.
Can I show it, Mommy?
Wow. Isn't that amazing? Look at that smoke. There it goes. Wow.
Here. Stop being just.
Look at that smoke. You never know where the big fireworks will be. Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa, isn't that awesome? Okay, make sure you comment down below which fireworks you like the best. You might see some in the sky.
I think these are the ones that poop.
Those are the ones that poop. Okay, you never know where they're going. No, that one will end the big finale.
Yeah, really? Papa, come on. Oh, the big ones are not going to come on until 9 o'clock.
Wow.
Fine. It's alright.
So, he's lighting the next one. He's lighting it right now. You see that?
Get away from it. Get away from it. You might get away from it. Let her get away from it. Get away from it. Move. Move away from it.
We're having some technical difficulties with the fireworks. Whoa! Guys, I'm seeing fireworks right there, look! Fireworks!
Stop! What are you doing? Right now?
Whoa!
Did you light it right?
I just saw one. We're seeing some fireworks in the sky.
On the orange one, I think that one got the other one. I can see. That probably broke it.
Whoa! Would you look at that? Okay, so that was that fireworks. See you later.